I would sing unto the Lord because he hath dealt bountifully with me. Psalms 13:6. I am conscious that I daily enter into my divine inheritance in my thought and in the spirit. I am entering into the realm of absolute causation. I completely believe that from this secret place of the Most High within me, there will be projected an objective manifestation of my every legitimate desire. I know that all desires are legitimate so long as they do not harm any other person. All desires are legitimate when they express life without hurt to anyone. There is good enough to go around. Therefore, I do not withhold any good from myself or from others, but constantly proclaim that good belongs alike to each and all. There is that within me that sees, knows, and understands this truth, that completely accepts it, that remembers freedom, expresses freedom, and anticipates freedom. There is that within me that is completely conscious of its unity with good, of its oneness with all the power there is, and all the presence there is, and all the life there is. Upon this power, presence, and life, I depend with implicit certainty, with complete confidence, and with absolute assurance. I am expecting more good. I am remembering only the good. I am experiencing good. In this memory of good, in this experience of good, and in the expectation of more good, daily I know that I move and have my being in an infinite sea of perfect life.